Hi there, I'm Peter Stewart of Aberkil, and this is a follow-on video to uh, how we deal with rats. Now, so you've got rats, and one of the first things that people say to me is, why have we got rats? A very common question that we are asked. So when we come to your building, whether it be a private dwelling or a commercial concern, what we are looking for is why they are there in the first place. And one of the things we'll look at is environmental problems, i.e. this. So this is a problem, isn't it? You've got all sorts of stuff lying there, there'll be food amongst there, and the rats will come along and they will want some of that. So what we're looking for is good hygiene measures, okay? So obviously clear that up, and obviously that bin's not big enough for that area, so go and perhaps get bigger bins, especially if it's a commercial concern, get a bigger bin, and you can shut a lid in it as well. That would be a great idea. And that is, if rats know that there are going to be food deposits there every day, you will encourage them to come. Not only that, if there is some liquid in that food, they will take that too, because remember, they need 60 millilitres of water a day. When they come to an area, they'll start investigating the rest of the building. So what are they looking for? They're looking for ways to get into your business. Now, I'd encourage you to walk around your building today and think like a rat and say, where can I get in here? And what we find is there are many, many buildings there with gaps under the doors. So what can we do about that? We can do this. This is just one way. We can put in bristle strips at the bottom of the door. And this is part of what we know as proofing. Proof your building. Now, the first two things that I've told you, food not lying about, rubbish not lying about, because they can make a nest amongst that too, and stopping them getting into the building in the first place, you probably wouldn't need to call a pest control contractor. So that is one of the ways that we can stop them getting in the building. Another way we can stop them is if there are broken grills on your air vents. That's a great way for them to get in, and you can put this across them and that will deter them. Remember, the vibrissae as they're going about sniffing about, and usually that will deter them. Another thing that we can do is if there's cracks in the joints, you can get, if it's a big job, get someone in with cement, fix them. But also we'll have stuff called mouse stop is one of them, and you just fill in the cracks and crevices. It grows hard and stops them getting in. So that is what we advise initially. Now, you can do that. You can go and get a handyman to do it. You can do it yourself with a handy, and we will also price to do it for you. The other thing to say is this is not a magic solution. You could proof the building, and for some reason, they may still get in. However, what you are doing is you are then reducing the risks of rodents coming through into your premises. It's not a be all end all cure, especially in a food place, a restaurant, and things like that. The more you do to proof the building, the better. And then have something in place to monitor as well. So that's the initial finding that we look for. And I hope to see you in the next video where we will show you other methods of removing the rat. I hope you're enjoying these videos. Please make a comment below, share, like, whatever you do. And if you have any questions, come back to me and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Have a great day.